Red is the same color I would put my chips on at the roulette table, which also happens to be the same color as the subscribe button, which clicking will provide you with weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Mire suk teve, which is welcome back in Albanian. Why do I know that? Because I have Google Translate. Today we're going to be looking at how to make the best sandwich in history, proclaimed by even the best visionaries like Socrates and Mozart. Let's roll. 1 ripe avocado, about 4 finger grabs of parsley, 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose mayo, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 strips of thick-cut bacon, 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, a whole bunch of smoked turkey, 2 slices of Munster cheese, a couple of leaves of spinach, a quarter of red onion, salt and pepper if necessary, it's completely up to you, and lastly bread, freshly baked bread, baked by a bread bakery. I like my onions thick for this particular God-given sandwich, so please feel free to cut as thin as you like into strips. As for our parsley, just bunch them all together as you would french fries before indulging in your little cheat day and mince away roughly, then set aside for your super secret sandwich sauce, which will be revealed to you right after you hit subscribe. Sear all your bacon slices in a frying pan over medium heat and flip them after about 2 to 3 minutes whilst avoiding detection from your smoke alarm. Then pat them down and dry and let them rest on a paper towel. Next, go ahead and heat up your smoked turkey slices over medium heat on a non-stick skillet until they've shrunken about this much. On that same non-stick skillet, toast your bread with some butter, because why would you not toast your bread with butter for your sandwich? In a bowl, go ahead and add your instrument, our mustard, my parsley, salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of cayenne pepper if you can take the heat, and mix it all together homogeneously. Now we save the hardest for last because avocados have a great fear of staying green. And also, don't be discouraged if you can't cut it into perfect slices, because in fact there's no such thing as the perfect drink. You can crave a mojito now and a martini the next day. Just be glad you didn't have a Long Island iced tea. Now for the assembly. You gotta listen real close because it can all go sideways, literally. Put your sauce first on your 2 slices of bread, like so. Then, cut and or tear your bacon into halves and assemble them in a hash-like fashion, like so. In bronze place is your spinach leaves. They will go right on top of the bacon to keep him warm. Listening? After that, it's your onions. And after that, it's your avocados. The pesky little avocados. Coming in second from behind, just stack your sandwich with all the smoked turkey you have. Remember, this is a sandwich for one, so just tell your significant other to go to the deli, or you can share it with them if your inner conscience tells you to, but that's just love making you dumb. Lay your 2 cheese slices on the very top of all of this. Graciously place the top crown on its rightful throne and contemplate which way you should cut the sandwich. Then realize there is only one true way to actually cut it. Stand back and gaze at your masterpiece. There you have it. As always, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up there. If you want to see more, go ahead and click over there.